Here's a little pack of dogs, little pack of puppies. There's 7 of them in total. We've got 5 here. There's a couple that are still shy. There's one behind the fence. This is the 4th time I've been down to see them, to bring them food. So they know why I'm here now. They actually know why I'm here. They're still, there's one here just sticking his head through. Look at this, just sticking his head through here. See? Just sticking out there. They're very shy. So now we've got 5, 6 of them. There's still one more that's very shy. He probably won't come out until I leave. But these guys I bought some treats too. I've got 3 bags of treats because they really like these. Let's open up and give some treats. We'll chuck it to the one at the back because he's very shy. He's very shy. Yeah. Can actually hand feed them. Here you go. See? Now where these guys are is and here's Mama. Come here. You want some food? You want some dry food? Come here. These guys are at Soy 1 off Beach Road. So right down the end of Beach Road. That's the very, very start of Beach Road. There on the corner. That's the corner that comes around on the beach road. It's a 7 kilometer round walk for me. So if you're staying in Pattaya and you want to do a good deed, get down to Soy 1. There's a building here. They live under the building. And come and feed them. They'll be a little bit timid. They'll be a bit timid at first, but he's having a feed too. They'll be a little bit timid at first, but this is my 4th trip down. This is my 4th trip down, and they're feeding out of my hand now, as you can see. So Soy 1 at the start of Beach Road. Bring down some food, get some treats. They love these pedigree meat jerky. They love these. Awesome. Come on. Awesome dry food. Like I said, it's a 7 kilometer walk for me, so it's a bit of a hike. This is the 4th day I've done it. It's 12:30 a.m. now. I walked down after gym because I'm already sweaty. I'm already stinky, so it's hot as fuck. It's probably 30 degrees. It's not 12:30 in the morning. Probably still close to 30 degrees. So it's hot. It's hot, dirty, sticky work, and there's not a lot of thanks. There's not a lot of thanks for doing it, but it's a good thing, because if I wasn't here now, these guys would be hungry. As you can see, they're hungry. And yeah, get back there. Yeah, come on. Good. So Soy 1 on Beach Road, right at the very end of Beach Road. the first time you come down, they probably won't be this friendly with you because they're very wary of people. But just keep coming. Like I said, this is my fourth trip down. Don't try and pat them. Don't try and pat them. Just feed them. The patting will come later. First of all, it's just about getting to know them, getting their trust, gaining their trust. Like I said, the first time I come down, I couldn't come here. I couldn't hand feed them. She's barking at the cars, which is probably not a very smart thing to do. Come on. See, they're very wary. There's still one. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's still one hiding that won't come out. But what I do is, when I leave, I put a big pile of food on the ground, and he or she, whatever it is, will come out. Good. Yeah. Come here. Come on. See, they're very wary when people pull up. They're very wary of what's going on. They don't trust people, which is a good thing for them.
10, 5,
7. 7, yeah. We've got one more bag of jerky left. I bring down 3 bags of jerky and 1 bag of dry food. They have water. There's a broken main. There's a leaking tap on the other side of the fence, and they all drink from that. Yeah, so there you go. Soy 1, Beach Road. If you've got time, come down and say hello. Oh, look, this one sticking his head through here. Come down, say hello. Just sit down, bring some food, and do something good. Do a good deed, because they will appreciate it. Yeah. Well, they say the worthiness of a person is what they do for something that can give nothing back. The worthiness of a person is what they do for something that can give nothing back. Now, these guys can't give you money, they can't give you anything. They don't even really say thank you. But I know they appreciate it. So it's a good thing to do. Good idea to put some insect repellent on too, because there's heaps of mosquitoes down here. Yeah. Come on. Little guys. Yeah, when I go, I'll leave a pile of food, of dry food on the footpath, and then the other one, the 7th one, will come out and eat. This is only my fourth night, and we're doing okay. We're doing okay. I said the first night they just barked. The first night I was trying to feed them, they just really barked and barked and barked, you know. Okay, I'm all out of beef jerky. Oh, hold it. One more strip. One more strip here. And then I'll turn off the camera. I'll drop some food on the ground. And start the long walk. Start the long walk home. There we go. We're all done. Okay guys, remember, soy one. Hey little guy. I've only got dry food left. I know you don't like dry food as much. Soy one. The end of Beach Road. Don't worry about water. They've got water. There's the other one there. There's number 7. I don't know if you can see him. He's sticking his head out from under the. Very shy, that one. So come down, soy one. Come on. Okay guys, until next time. Talk soon.